My name is Benjamin Lee, and I'm the National Math and Science Competition Chair from the Michigan chapter of the Korean American Scientists and Engineers Association. My background is I'm a research scientist. I got my Ph.D. in electrical engineering, and I work for a software company. And so the type of work I do is that ultimately I help physicians treat heart disease so that their patients can live longer, and I do this by we sell software to those physicians, and I've been involved with the KSEA organization for many years. I started off with getting a scholarship from them, and then I started to organize, and now I was the Michigan chapter president last year, and I'm also involved at the headquarter level in Washington, D.C. as well. So this is one of many programs the organization KSEA does, and it's actually one of my favorite ones because it's one of the truly community outreach programs that we do that is not just internal, but we're able to share a lot of science to the general public as well. Michigan National Mathematics and Science Competition started about in 2013, and so we've been doing this for over 5 years now. And we started out pretty small with about 30 students, and we have about 90 students this year. So we're very excited that we've had so much growth. And we have students from 4th grade to 11th grade participating. They come for the math exam, but then what we really like is that in the math exam is that they're able to perform these science experiments. And so it introduces a lot of these students with these science experiments that they may not have done in their school. So for example, this year we have for the elementary school students, we have Scratch programming, visual programming exercise, because computer science is very important, and for them to start coding early is a very important thing. For the middle school students, we have a bridge building competition where they have team members, they develop some team skills, but then they also learn about some structural engineering. And lastly, for the high school students, at that point they've learned a little bit of chemistry, so we have a fruit battery experiment where they can make electricity from simple fruit, and finally they'll be able to take some strawberries and extract DNA from it. So we think it's very exciting for them to be able to do these science competitions and for them to get inspired about science, so hopefully that they may consider a career or majoring in the science or engineering fields as well.